Hello friends, welcome to our channel General Engineer. Today we are going to learn about Fuji Electric FRENIC-Mini series, that is FRNO series of Fuji electrical AC drives. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, first of all, if this is a new drive, it's easy to set. But if it is old drive and you are going to change the parameters, or if it is showing some errors, the easiest way to first of all do the factory settings. Okay, how to do it, I'll explain you. Okay, so first of all you go to the app. Okay, how to go to in that parameter, press program, then press here the function or data. Okay, here you will have to go to the parameter 00. What this parameter is about, it's about it will allow it to change the parameters. If it is here is 0 or 1, if it is here, if you are seeing here 1, it will not allow you. Okay, then you need to change this to the 0. Now it's 0. Okay, but if it is 1, you need to change it to 0. How to change it? You have to press this up button, but only in this case you cannot change it with just by pressing just the up button. Okay, you need to press top and the up button simultaneously, then you can change this parameter. Okay, right now I'm not changing it because it will change my the settings. Okay, so to escape it, oh, it's saved. Wait, I need to change it to 0. See, now we have to make it 0, enter, save. Now we are able to change the parameters. Okay, so parameter 0, 1 is about frequency command. Okay, we go to the parameter, here is a 4. You can read this what is this 1 2 3 4 in detail, and it is available in the manual. It is available on the internet. Just search Fuji Electric FRENIC-Mini series manual. Okay, you will get the manual online, and here are the 4 functions are there, 1 2 3 4. In short, I'll explain you what is this 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's about the frequency command. 0 is for from keypad, this up and down key. 1 is from 0 to 10 volt. 2 is from 0 to 4 to 20 milliamps, where from C1 terminal, and 4 is about this potentiometer inbuilt pot. Okay, right now it's set to the 4, so that I can change from the frequency from here. Okay, let's get out. 1 2 2 is about the source of run command, run or stop command. Okay, source of run or stop command. 0 is for run or stop command from the keypad. Okay, 1 is for the it's from the external command like ext or reverse command from these terminals. Okay, like externally from the external push button, or if you want to change this from the keypad, leave it like that 2. Now the maximum frequency is for in 03, it's 60. Okay, it's depend on the location, like USA or Asia region. Okay, in USA it's 60 Hz frequency, in Asia region it's 50 Hz. Okay, if you like to change it or leave it like that. Okay, now the parameter 0 4. Okay, I was mistaken actually. 0 4 is about the base frequency, and 0 3 is about the maximum frequency that you would like to attain. Okay, here it was 60, and the base frequency is since I am in Asia region in India, so our frequency, base frequency is 50, so I have put here 50. Now the rated voltage 05, F05, the rated voltage in here in India is 380 to 415. Okay, I have put 380, and one more function is there in this drive, particularly in this drive. Okay, by default the value was 0. 0 means whatever the input voltage you are applying here, you will get the output voltage equal to the input voltage. This is the beauty of this drive. or you can change it according to your region or according to your voltage system, like 220, 380, 440, 415, whatever it may be. Okay, now the function 07 is about acceleration time. The default value was here the 6 seconds, but I had to change it to 0.5 because this drive was giving an error of OC3. OC3 means overload current. That is, some error is there. Okay, and the way of fixing it to just to reduce, we need to reduce the this one, the acceleration time of the motor. Okay, function 08 is deceleration time. Here is 1.86. This change is made it deliberately according to the motor or to escape from that alarm OC3. Now, this is all about the functions. Okay, general required functions. Now we need to change. We need to put the motor parameters. How to go to the motor parameters? Change here. P. Press enter. Then 02. 02 is about the motor rated capacity in kilowatt. Okay, here it by default it was 0.75. Okay, according to your motor data, like that depends on the motor drive capacity also. This is 2 HP drive and we have connected 2 HP motor, so we can gather that data, grab that data from the nameplate, or if nameplate is not available, you can put the general value. For example, for 2 HP motor it's 1.5 kilowatt. Okay, so I have put here 1.5 kilowatt, the center. Then the P03 is about the motor rated current, that is 3 ampere. You can read it from the nameplate or you can put the general data like 3 ampere. And more important parameter is P99. This P99 is about, you can read into the manual. There are characteristics of the motor. 0 is the characteristics of the Fuji motors. 1, 2, 3 and various means according to the motor they have given 0, 1, 3, 4. The 4 is for the other motor selection. To be safe, put here 4 and your setting is done and you are ready to run the motor using this potentiometer, and you can give the start and stop command from this run and stop button. If you would like to run this drive on the remote button and the remote potentiometer, you can wire here and change the settings F01 and F02, and that's it. You will be ready to run this drive. Let me show you by running this drive. See, I can change the speed from here. See, the speed is changing from this potentiometer, and this is stop and run. That's easy, right? Okay, thank you.